Hello! In this simulation, we're going to see the electrons and current. Here is an animation of an enlarged section of the wire in a circuit. The moving blue dots represent free electrons, and the gray circles represent the ions in the metal lattice. The number of ions shown corresponds to a section about 1/millionth of the diameter of the wire. Let's click the left-hand arrow on the slider at the bottom of the screen repeatedly to move it to the far left to increase the current in the circuit. Notice the movement of the electrons in this enlarged view of the wire. So, what happens to the movement of the electrons? Yes, they travel more quickly through the conductor. The left-pointing arrow on the circuit diagram represents the direction of current flow in the circuit. This is the direction of a flow of positive charge, from positive to negative, and is called conventional current. Which way are the electrons traveling? Yes, from negative to positive, opposite to the direction of a flow of the positive charge. So, the movement of the electrons is opposite to the conventional current. That's true.